Welcome back. We're keeping our focus on the CAG report on health infrastructure that has just been tabled in the Delhi Assembly. Remember, the BJP had said that it will table all the CAG reports of the 14. This is the second report that has been tabled in the Assembly. Let's go across to my colleague Tejshri joining us on the broadcast with the details of the findings in the report. Yes, Tejshri.
Well, yes, absolutely. Let me tell you that Times Now was the first and only channel to access the draft CAG report, and now that we have the details of the CAG report on health, that's already tabled in the Delhi Assembly. We'll decode one by one so as to what were the lapses. First of all, let us talk about the Mohalla clinics. So Mohalla clinics, in fact, we did ourselves a reality check and got to know so as to there were many Mohalla clinics that were closed. Not just that, but basic facilities like toilets. There were 45 Mohalla clinics in which toilets were not present. There were a number of Mohalla clinics in which thermometers were not present. BP machine was not present. Ventilator machine was not present. Weighing machine was not present. So this is a very basic facility that a clinic should have. There were many Mohalla clinics in which the doctors were not present. The medical staff was absent. So these were the lapses that were highlighted in that particular report. Now let us talk about the COVID fund. So the COVID fund approximately was 250 crore rupees that was given by the central government to the Delhi government. But unfortunately, the Delhi government did not utilize the COVID fund according to that particular report. Now the previous government is certainly answerable so as to what has happened to that particular
fund misappropriation, politics that led to people of Delhi suffering, and of course the fact that while on one hand the Aam Aadmi Party was talking about the health model, the Mohalla clinics lacked even the most basic facilities. That's what the report has found. With that, we're slipping into a quick break here. We'll be right back. To stay with us.